Okay guys, I know you guys are very excited to see what's in this box, which we'll get to it. We will definitely go ahead and get to it. But first, more coffee, please. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the items that we just got from Chewy. Now, these products that I'm going to show you guys are products that I go ahead and I restock all the time. These products are essentials to my dogs, and I just repurchase them over and over again since Mr. Casper was just a couple of, I don't even know why I was doing this. I know you're two, maybe my mind, but since he was a baby. So not a whole lot, be careful. Not a whole lot, but be careful. Not a lot of items, but these items, almost $100. Yeah, almost $100. I know. Okay, let me just get rid of this. Let me show them, okay? Alright, so again, very essentials, restocked all the time. Let's go ahead and start with this. This is the joint supplement that I purchase over and over and over again. This stuff, lucky boy, what are you doing? You're eating the box? So this I repurchase over and over again. This one I use, or I should say, I give to Coco, Casey, and Casper. These are a must. And my vet also recommends those are good. Continue using them. It's better to prevent than, why am I doing this? I'm so sorry. Better to prevent than at the end of it. In other words, joint supplements will help at the long run when they are a little older. But yeah, these are the supplements I go ahead and I give to Casey, Casper, and Coco. Now, Lucky, he uses, I give him another one, and I'll show you. Now, for Lucky Boy, I give him these. These I go ahead and I give Lucky Boy. And the reason for that is because he's a big boy, and these are from Woofs. When we came back from Florida on a vacation trip, we came back home, and right after that he started limping. He did not want to stand. We would call him and he was just struggling to even come to us. So I started giving him these. Now, these for me are a bit more stronger. This is how they look. He already had one, so. Nope, Casey, hold on. This is how they look, okay? So I give him one a day. He already had his. But this and this, for me personally, they are great joint supplements. However, I feel like this has more milligrams and a couple of ingredients that this one don't carry. This one is pricier. This one is affordable. Again, my opinion. This one has 132. This one only has for a month. And this is pricey. But I feel like because we had the scenario with Lucky and he went to the vet, they took him x-rays, they did not know the cause of him limping. Everything looked fine, but I was concerned, and I started to give him this, and all of a sudden he started to feeling better. He started to walk. He stopped limping. My personal opinion with these products, my personal opinion with my dogs. So again, this I give to Lucky, only for Lucky. If you guys want to know, go to their website or, you know, check it out. It's Woofs. And it has glucosamine, it has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, yucca, omega-3, MSM, so chondroitin, sulfate, very little ingredients. So again, these two are must my household for my dogs. Oh my gosh, you guys should see Coco. He looks so adorable. Another must is, oh, so heavy, is this here. And this is from the brand Zesty Paws. Now this I only give to Coco and Casper. And the reason for that is because Coco has seasonal allergies. When the allergies flare, they flare. Oh my gosh, I remember back then, before I started to give this to him, he would want to rip his paws from the whatever it was. I don't know what he was feeling. I just know that he wanted to rip off his paws. He was biting on them, he was licking them, he was very aggressive. And then I started to notice Casper was licking his paws frequently. And I said, no, we gotta do something. I took Coco to the vet, and of course they gave me a prescription that did not help at all. I stopped it. I did my own research. Then I went ahead and I purchased this, and now this is helping, guys. Again, my personal opinion with these products with my own dogs. Every dog is different, but these are my experience, and this is why I buy over and over these products, because I see results. So Casper gets, because of his age and weight, not his age, but his weight, he gets 3 daily, and then Coco gets 2 daily. Now there are 2, I get the big one because, you know, it's like 5 a day. So what I do is, I get the largest one. Again, it is pretty pricey. It's $2.50 soft chews, but they have 2 different flavors. They have one from chicken, and they have this one, which is lamb. The lamb, for me personally, works way better than the chicken. I have tried chicken, but I went back to this because for some reason the lamb helps them better. I will show you what they look like, and they look so cute. Now, I only give to, again, Coco and Casper, but if I see that Casey and Lucky, you know, I start to see allergy symptoms, then I'll go ahead and I will give these to them. However, not at the moment. They do not get these. So this is, and I love it because they fill it all the way to the top. And then I love it because look how cute, hearts. Oh, Casey. Okay, there you go. No more, okay? So they just ran out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give them 1, 2, 3, and then Coco. Every day, every single day. Lucky boy. Oh, excuse me. Let me get a treat for you because it's not fair. You're like, hold on. Hold on. Actually, we have treats over here. Bear with me because this is next. I'll just grab, oh. I got 2. Okay, so this here is new to me, and I'm trying to incorporate more protein into their meals and even treats. And I saw this over at Chewy, and I looked at the reviews and I looked at the ingredients, and I was like, you know what, let me just give it a try. So this is actually made in the USA, in the Kentucky. Only 5 simple ingredients, 85% of protein, and this is savory beef flavor, And then the ingredients are very, very minimal. So I was looking at the website and looking at the reviews. This is not meant for small dogs. This is literally perfect for my Goldens. They love chewy things. They love to rip things. They have no problem. So these are kind of really hard based on the reviews. You cannot even cut them based on the reviews. So for me, it's perfectly fine. I don't know how Coco is gonna do, but I'll definitely go ahead and I'll give him one and then just go from there on. I did purchase two and I had no idea I purchased two. Maybe it's like a combo. Yeah, and they're both beef. Yeah. So 5 simple ingredients: beef liver, sweet potato, beef meal, beef, and then beef fat. So yeah. If you guys are interested on the analysis, crude protein 35%, crude fat 10%, crude fiber 5%, and then moisture, which is the max, is 10%. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna open these up. Whew. I like the smell. Okay, not bad, not bad. So hold on. So this is how they look. Again, hard. Adorable. Come on, focus. Focus. Hold on, Casey. Casey boo, hold on. Wait. Wait. There you go. Adorable. Okay. Alright, so, lucky boy, here you go. We're gonna wait. They are very hard. But no problem. Yep, those are my Goldens. Casey boo. Coco. Caspa, Coco. Now Coco, again, I want to see exactly how he does. And then these are treats once a day, kind of like at nighttime. Around 6 in the evening, I can just go ahead and I can just give them 1 or 2 treats, and then this is good. Protein. This is what I want for them. Now, I think I broke the seal. I'm gonna have to put this on a Ziploc bag because I ripped it accidentally. Okay, and then lastly but not least, another essential, which is the Zesty Paws, again from that same brand, from the Allergy Bites, the immune system. And this is also a must. I give this to them with their meals every single day. It is part of their, you know, daily supplement. And this is the Wild Alaskan Salmon Oil Skin and Coat. And again, it's a must. It's a must on this house for them. Oh, and one more thing, which is not an essential, but we needed one of these, is the toothbrush. This toothbrush is, for me, one of the best toothbrushes that I've actually went ahead and I purchased. I do see a difference. I know that there's 2, the big ones and the little one. The big one is just perfect because the Goldens, I don't know, I think it's all of them, the breed itself, because their teeth, look at that. Can you see? Like they are like so spread out. Do you see that? And it's just so difficult, sorry buddy, so difficult to like brush them. So I feel like this brush, it is perfect for them. It does the job. And then I'll show you guys what toothpaste I use. And they love it. They love it. Bear with me. Hold on. So this toothbrush, the ones that I actually go ahead and purchase for them, is from the same brand of the toothpaste. It's for Verbac, CET. That's the name of it. Can you guys see? Hopefully. Focus. Okay, there you go. Yeah, so this brand I trust a lot. And then this is, let me just stand up. And this is the toothpaste. They love it. They love having their teeth brushed. And I like the poultry flavor for them. I know they have like chicken, but this one, it is really, really good. So what I do is I put some with a little bit of baking soda, brush their teeth, and they're fine. Every time they go to the vet for a dental cleaning, they only have minimal tart plaque, which is so amazing. And I think that this helps a lot. Yeah. So that's pretty much it on that little haul that I order for the Goldens. And I don't know why I'm so tired, exhausted, out of breath. I don't know, guys. I'm getting old. Out of shape. I'm telling you. Okay, all done. All done. These are all your things. Okay,